What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to record a voiceover directly in DaVinci Resolve. This feature is invaluable for adding narration, commentary, or any video enhancements directly to your video projects within the software. Before we start, make sure you edit your media already to the timeline in DaVinci Resolve, preparing the groundwork for your voiceover. The first step involves navigating to the Fairlight page, which is DaVinci Resolve's dedicated audio post-production workspace. You can easily switch to Fairlight by clicking on the Fairlight tab at the bottom of the interface. Once in Fairlight, you'll notice your audio tracks displayed. To add a new track specifically for your voiceover, simply right-click on an existing track, such as Audio 1, and select Add Track. Then choose the type, such as Stereo, from the options. This action creates a new track, which you can rename to VoiceOver for easy identification. Renaming helps organizing your project and ensuring you know which track is designated for voiceover recordings. Next, it's crucial to set up your microphone input. On the right side of the Fairlight page, you'll find the mixer panel. Look for your newly created voiceover track, which might be labeled as A2 or similar, depending on the naming convention you've used. Click on the No Input button next to your track to configure your microphone. In the Input selection window, you'll see a list of available sources, such as Microphone 1 and Microphone 2. Select the microphone you wish to use for recording. After selecting your microphone, ensure the destination is set to your voiceover track, and then click Patch to confirm the input configuration. Before recording, you need to arm the track for recording by clicking on the R button on your track. This step is vital as it prepares the track to capture audio from your selected input source. Now, you're ready to record your voiceover. Hit the record button located at the top of the Fairlight page. As you speak into the microphone, you see the waveform being created in real time on your voiceover track, indicating that the recording is in progress. When you are finished, press the stop button to end the recording. You can then disable the R button on your track to conclude the recording session. After recording, you might want to adjust the placement of your voiceover on the timeline or apply audio effects to enhance the sound quality. DaVinci Resolve offers a range of audio effects that can be accessed from the effects library, allowing you to fine-tune your voiceover to the perfect mix. To integrate your voiceover with your video project seamlessly, you can switch back to the Cut or Edit pages in DaVinci Resolve. Here, you can further edit your voiceover track, adjust its position, or synchronize it with specific video segments to achieve the desired effect. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.